Forget what you thought you knew about budget phones. Nokia's latest small 5G powerhouse is about to disrupt the market. With a 108MP camera, a massive 7000 mAh battery, and an unbeatably low price, this phone might just be the best Diwali surprise you could ask for. But is it worth the hype? Let's dive in and see what makes the Nokia X200 5G so unique. When it comes to budget-friendly devices, Nokia is pushing the limits with their upcoming Nokia X200 5G. This isn't just another phone launch, it's Nokia's big play to offer premium features at a budget price. We're talking about features that, until now, were mostly seen in high-end devices. So, what exactly are you getting with this device? And, more importantly, does it live up to the expectations? Let's unpack the specs, performance, and what Nokia promises with the X200 5G. Budget smartphones are often criticized for compromising on performance, battery, or camera quality. Consumers frequently face the dilemma of choosing between affordability and high-end features. With Nokia's X200 5G, the big question is, can it genuinely deliver a premium experience without the premium price? Nokia has a lot riding on this, so let's break down each feature to see if it measures up. The Nokia X200 5G comes with a compact 5.3-inch display, a size that's rare among today's oversized phone. But it's not just about compactness. The punch-hole design, smooth 90Hz refresh rate, and a resolution of 720 by 1280 pixels make it an efficient choice for everyday use. Its overall build is what you'd expect from Nokia: durable, practical, and ready to withstand everyday bumps. And don't overlook the fingerprint sensor, seamlessly integrated for secure and quick access. Now, if you're worried about performance, this is where things get interesting. The X200 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6000, which handles basic tasks effortlessly and brings reliable 5G connectivity. It's a smart choice for users who want a hassle-free experience without the premium cost. Everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and using social media run smoothly. Is it a high-end processor? No, but for the price, it's a solid performer. Here's where Nokia truly stands out. The X200 5G boasts a whopping 7000 mAh battery, almost unheard of in this price range. This battery power means you're looking at a full day or even two without needing a charge. And when you do, the 25-watt fast charging capability means you can get back to full power in around 45 minutes. No more charging anxiety or constant checking for a power outlet. Let's talk about that headline feature, the 108MP main camera. Yes, you heard right, a 108MP camera in a budget phone. This is a game changer for anyone who loves mobile photography but doesn't want to pay flagship prices. Alongside the main sensor, there's an 8MP ultra-wide lens perfect for landscapes, a 2MP telephoto for those zoom shots, and a 12MP front-facing camera for crystal-clear selfies. From HD video recording to 10x zoom, the X200 5G offers versatility, making it a solid choice for capturing memorable moments. Here's something for everyone. Nokia offers the X200 5G in 3 configurations: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. This flexibility ensures you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all option. Whether you're a light user or a heavy multitasker, there's a variant tailored for you. The best part? These choices mean you can find a model that fits your budget without sacrificing essential features. And now, for the moment of truth: pricing. Nokia's strategy here is nothing short of revolutionary. Instead of overcharging for 5G capability, they've kept the X200 5G incredibly affordable. It's expected to be available by January or February 2025, but the price is what's truly remarkable. For a phone with such high-end features, the anticipated pricing is set to shake up the competition. Imagine a 5G phone with a 108MP camera and a 7000 mAh battery without the premium price tag. That's what the X200 5G promises. Nokia has a legacy of durability and user-centric design. The X200 5G isn't just a smartphone, it's Nokia's commitment to making quality accessible to everyone. So, if you're someone who values a brand with a reputation for reliability and long-lasting build, the X200 5G is worth a serious look. After looking into all these features, it's clear the Nokia X200 5G doesn't just follow the crowd. It's redefining what a budget phone can offer by packing features that are not only premium but genuinely useful. This is Nokia's moment to capture a growing market that demands high-end features at accessible prices. Will this phone redefine the budget segment? From what we're seeing, it very well might. So, There you have it. The Nokia X200 5G is more than just a new budget smartphone, it's a potential game changer. From its exceptional battery life to the impressive camera setup, Nokia has created a device that's primed to meet the needs of today's savvy consumers. It's not without limitations, but for the price and the features it delivers, it stands out in a saturated market. If you found this review helpful, don't miss our upcoming deep dives into more budget-friendly devices. Be sure to hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.